Welcome guys, so today I am with Amazfit PowerBuds and I'm going to show you how you can find and customize equalizer on this device. So at the first we have to be for sure connected with the Zep application, and next we have to select our Amazfit PowerBuds from my devices list. Next tap on the music equalizer, and as you can see right now we got at the first the custom mode, so we can adjust each slider just like that. You can for sure reset by tapping at this button. Next we can find other presets, that's pop, dance, blues and other, so you can select them by tapping on each preset. So if you want to stay with the vocal, you can just select, then just go back, and the sound equalizer has changed your currently sound. So yeah, that's how we can make it, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.